Welcome, in front of me is a Tecno Spark Go, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So, to get started, I'm gonna open up settings. From here, you wanna scroll all the way down to System, select Reset Options, erase all data, factory reset. This will give you a list of things that the process removes. So we have things like Google accounts, system app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and user data. Now, to be completely truthful, the only things that matter here are the three last ones, which is the music, photos, and user data. If you downloaded all your apps from a reputable source like Play Store, then you can re-download them after the process. After the reset is finished or on other devices. Google accounts are just signed in and system of data is just regained once you have the app that it belongs to. So the only things that do matter are the ones that are being stored locally on the device that were there put by you, like music, photos, and user data. Anyway, now if you want to back up some of this data, do so right now. If you don't, can progress further by selecting erase all data, and this will now begin factory resetting our device. Now this process will take probably about a minute to like 3 minutes tops to finish up, and once it's completed, we should be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.